This is the first company in this industry to focus on the source of nutrition. We're going to the genesis of where it all starts, and that's the seed.
What I found exciting about the product Soul is its ingredients. Here we have very well-studied seeds which have extraordinary health benefits. And the fact that these seeds are pulled together and work synergistically with D-ribose and xylitol makes this product unique in the marketplace, in my opinion. And because I try to stack the cards in favor of the body being healthy and doing its own reparative, restorative work, a product like Soul is tremendously valuable.
If this product isn't real, I'm wasting my time. It's our most valuable asset. We don't get it back. I don't have time to waste. You don't have time to waste. We need to be dealing with something that really affects people's lives in a positive way.
This works. This does something. And so I want to be able to give people something that does that actually works instead of is just a gimmick.
And so we talked to doctors, we talked to scientists, we talked to customers that had been using it, and we tried the product ourselves. And in the end, we came to the conclusion, this is a great product, it works, it's based on real science, and that alone will help this company survive for the long term.
For the past 20 years that I've been working in a health-related product, this is so unique and it's so powerful and it's in demand. I see the need. I see the need in the industry, the marketplace.
We get approached by hundreds of companies every year to raise money for them, and we only pick about 5. We try to pick the best of the best, and the way we decide which companies to pick is we do a lot of due diligence and a lot of research. Now, I know a lot about Rain International because my investment bank did the due diligence on Rain, and we decided to raise money for them, and I personally invested my own money also in Rain. The last thing you want to do is work your butt off for a couple years and then have that company go out of business. We actually did a lot of analysis of the plan. We talked to experts in the industry. We had them look at it, and they all came back and said, very generous plan for distributors, and we were able to analyze and see there was enough margin for the company to make profits to stay in business for the long term. We love that about Rain.
It's second to none. Nothing else like it in the industry. We've taken the best parts of different proven compensation plans out there, put it into one and made it better. Ever since we started, there's been one thing that's happened, and that's growth. You know, everybody wants to be a part of a team that's making a real difference and doing some good in the world. And as we expanded and started overseas, one of the reasons we've seen success and are doing the millions of dollars in sales and have thousands of new people joining us every month is because what we have is real. And this year in 2014, we're going to expand into some of the biggest markets in the world.
This is probably the best thing that ever happened to us as far as a holistic product and a company that's building their business, you know, with a holistic approach.
The opportunity is endless right now at this point. On top of that, the structure that Byron set up with the company, it's brilliant. He's cut down his manufacturing costs, got the right partners with the websites, which means we as distributors save a lot of money and there's a much higher margin. So owning your own business, there's a whole lot of hassles that most people don't realize until they actually do it, that really dig into your time. By working with a company like Rain, they have the corporate structure that handles all the hassle, and you're just a storyteller. I mean, it's the best of both worlds.
2 years ago when I started Rain International, and I started zero. I went to the coal market, and just 2 years, and I already built an organization over 60,000 people, and I earned $1 million commission from Rain International, and it is only the beginning. It is only the beginning.
Do what you got to do to get where you got to get, but get there quick because we're moving, and I can't slow it down and I can't stop it. And I tell people, if not this, then what? If not now, then when? Now is the time. There's never been a better time to join Rain International. And you can either read about history, or be a part of it. And I choose to be a part of it, and I hope you do too. I hope you join us.